Good morning, guys. We're on the way to Shotgun Place. I need to rename on this new Black 34 and get new license plate. Also, I need to deregister a couple of my cars so I don't get taxed. Got my dad and Lina with me. There's gonna be a bunch of paperwork, so gonna have them help me. Not that much fun, but I'll get some B-rolls of driving in Japan and whatever. Just arrived. Got a bunch of paperwork and license plates to return. So much paperwork. This is the one, just one car, just to change, to deregister. And this is another. Alright, let's get it. Wait time is super long, so gotta get boss. Almost up. What do you want, Ino?
What's up?
So you want tea? 130.
Arigato.
Let's get on this one. Just got done with all the paperwork. We did 4 cars today. We did 2 deregistered and 1 for export certificate and changing my name on my new Black 34. Oh, here it is. And getting new license plate right now. Gotta return the old license plate, so we're gonna take it off now. I'll show you guys how. Well, Japan has this rivet, so you can't steal license plate. Or you can, you have to destroy it. But so many people asking me to get Japanese license, but it's pretty impossible. You can't get extra license plate. So it's pretty impossible to give you guys any license plate. Even template plate, you have to return it. The license plate is tied up to everything in Japan. Like, this is pretty much like title. So if you lose, it's like you're losing a title. you don't have this like rivet thing, cop will pull you over easily too. Gonna go return this and get brand new license plate. Okay, gonna go get a new one. Arigato. Got new. Got a new license plate. And so they'll give you this without cover. Once I put this on the car, I have to go to their place and they're gonna cover it. Like, you can't do it. The officer has to do it. Then it will be sealed. Officially changing the owner's name. So much process, paperwork. What do you guys think about this number? Domo. That's right. Yes, okay, let's go. あそこまで封印って書いてある。バイクの先。
車体番号拝見しますので、降りてボンネットオープンをお願いします。
So he just put this cover on. Bam. Mission complete. Gonna head back. Right now, just came and picking up Josh's chaser. Here it is. We're shipping this next month. Well, we were gonna register this in Japan, but Josh decided to ship it to Cali. So this will be for sale soon. Chase JZ600 Chaser Toro V 5-speed. Koji's driving my 34. Brought this to the house. I'm just taking it to my yard. But we're gonna ship this next month, so I'm sure Josh posted on Instagram or his YouTube. It's for sale, but just brought Chaser here and just organizing the lot. Moving S15 right now. Koji's gonna film it for me. Yeah. Bye. Alright, so we got Chaser here. Mission complete, I guess. I gotta go work on my 34.